go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Nadula here once more. Same packaging as usual. So once I open the box, I see this like bag, like a drawstring bag. So this is always good for storage. It's branded Nadula. I got one of these headbands. Cute. I got a goodie bag. And I got a wig cap. Let's see what's in the goodie bag before we move on. So I got a pattern like elastic band, a bonnet. I got one more of these brushes. It's nice. I got a pair of lashes. And there are more in the box. I got another elastic band branded Nadula on it. I got a headband. And lastly, the main product in today's package, it's a ponytail. Yes, guys, we're gonna be doing a ponytail. This is some Brazilian hair, 24 inches that we're working with. Let's get to it. Oh, okay. You know, I've seen these online before, but it's my first time with one of these ponytail. Shouts Nadula here for putting me on. Ooh, they curled this piece up really nice. And this is a piece to wrap around the ponytail when like you're finished. So okay, this is how it looks. So I guess this is the part that you put over your hair. You're gonna see, because I'm gonna put my natural hair in a ponytail today, and it's like a kinky texture. So as I said, this is some Brazilian hair. It's 24 inches long. So as you can see, it has that kinkiness to it. So it will definitely match my hair. Yeah, my hair is already out, needs blow drying. So that's not bad. It's a natural hair color, which is another plus. Looks really good, and I love the fact that they have this portion here. It makes life so easy. And it has like a Velcro section here, so I guess you wrap it around. When you wrap it around, it sticks. It sticks. So you understand? So you kind of wrap it around like that, and that's how it will look on the hair. So that looks really good. Yes, I'm so happy that I got one of these. So now I've shown you guys the ponytail that we're working with today. I'm gonna make sure to put all the details of this in the description box as well, so please check it out. And I'll show you guys that. Let's get to this ponytail, okay? Yes, this is all my hair out. So I could have done better with the blow drying job. So on my edges there, it's just some residue from some got to be that I had on it previously. Yes, my hair isn't like freshly washed. I washed it like probably 3 days or so before this clip that you're seeing, but I didn't mind because I was about to add product to it. So yeah, that's the reason why it's like that. I was still trying to blow dry it somewhere. I had to get help. It was a lot. My arms were hurting. Okay, it's not every day that I do a ponytail, a top ponytail, that is. And so what you saw me doing there was just, you know, I let some of my edges stay out so I could, you know, swoop it at the side. You guys know I always do my little swoop. You don't have to do that if you don't want to do that, okay? You really don't have to. All right. Yeah, so yeah, as I said, I got the help of my sister. Yeah, because it was a bit of task. I had to do a little bit of blow drying to get it as flat as I possibly could. I could get it flatter, but I would have to blow dry it in smaller sections, and I wasn't necessarily trying to go that flat right now anyways. It wasn't that serious to me. So after that, I pretty much just used some Eco Styler gel on the hair, and then I used some wrap strips to kind of just tie that down, and I did blow dry it to a point so that it would lay nicely. So that's what I'm doing with those wrap strips here. And yeah.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my...
So once I'm done with that, then I start to apply my ponytail. Well, after she plaited, she gave it a plait, as you guys saw, and as tight as she could. And then I wrap the ponytail around that. I let the Velcro stick, just like how I demonstrated it to you before. I wrap around that part that's wanded with the Velcro to let it stick, and it was super secure, guys, because I used the comb that you saw on it to stick within my ponytail, and so it felt really secure. Definitely wasn't going anywhere. And so as I wrapped that portion around, I got to be on it so it would stick. And I kind of spread it out as flat as I could so it would give it a nice wrap. It would look bulky or lumpy, so I used my comb in combination with the Got2b to do that, and I wrapped it around until there was none of it left to wrap. And then at the very end now, I take my blow dryer and I just blow dry that. I believe I used this on regular air. After that, I wrap it so it would stay secure, you know, so it will dry down enough so that it could stick on its own. And I was just feeling it there to feel how secure it was. It was very secure. And then I kind of just combed out the hair. It looks so good. Guys, look how well it matches my natural hair. So I'm taking off the wrap strips. It matches it really nicely. Really nicely. So that was a 10 for me right away. And then I just kind of finished my swoops, and yeah, pretty much to the point. Regular ponytail, but this ponytail is a 10. Game changer for sure. I highly recommend it. It's very convenient.
It's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain.
So guys, you see how well this ponytail matches my natural hair? I have to give it to it. It's the perfect texture. Like, it is definitely game changer. It did this whole vibe, you know, like how you do the wrap ponytails these days, how everybody's doing the slim ponytails, so a little more natural. That's exactly what you get with this ponytail. Like, this is super convenient, and the fact that they pre-made the little part there for you to wrap it around the base makes life so easy. The texture and everything is perfect. It blended with my natural hair perfectly, so I really and truly cannot even complain. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys found this video informative. Nadula came through with this. They really did. And I just did, you know, my regular 2 swoops at the front. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back. It matches my natural hair so perfectly. Like, it really does. That's crazy. Like, it really matches my hair really well. So I'm gonna leave it as is. You could go in and you could wand this up if you... Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's hair look. Today is not a wig look, it's just a ponytail vibe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative as usual. I'm going to put the specifications of this ponytail in my description box, as well as the direct link if you're interested in ordering one of these. I feel like this is a must-have. I'm happy that I finally got my hands on one. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. It's so nice. And oh, that's a cute style. I could go ahead and do this. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Shout out to Nadula here. Shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.
Another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken.